Zoe here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pillowcase. It is super simple and very easy to make. As you can see, I have another one in the background. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. Alright, I have my fabric here already cut and the 24 by 24 inches pillow. I will need it later, so for now I will just put it aside. Let's check if the fabric is on its place. I have a front piece here, it's on the right side and has a measurement of 29 by 29 inches. And I have two back pieces. The top part has a measurement of 29 inches long and 17 inches wide. For the bottom part, I have 29 inches long and 19 inches wide. What I'm going to do now, I have to fold it like this, iron, fold it again, and iron for the second time. Do this in the middle part of both back pieces. Make sure to place the back pieces on the wrong side. I decided to draw a line around 1 centimeter from the edge. It doesn't have to be perfect, but at least I have a guide while I fold and iron the fabric. Don't worry, I am using air erasable pen. It will be gone after a few minutes, so I have to rush. Like I said, fold, then iron. Fold it again and iron for the second time. So now I'm going to put this together. This is the front piece and it's on the right side. And I'm going to put the 29 by 19 inches. No, this one. The 29 inches by 17. This. Place it on the wrong side over the top of the front piece. So you have to check first the design of your fabric. Which one for the top and this side. So, and this is the 29 by 19 inches. We have to check it properly that it will stay on its place. Now I can pin them together. I will start in the corners of the fabric, in the middle, and all the way around. Now that it's all pinned, I can start sewing. You can start wherever you want to start, but I'm going to start here in the middle. Now I can start sewing around 1 centimeter or half an inch from the edge of the fabric. I'm going to cut the corners of this pillowcase and also the sides to remove all these ugly edges like this. Now let's see the right side of this pillowcase. Therefore, I have to reverse it. And I'm going to iron this again. Now this is the last and the best part. I am going to draw a line on all sides around 5 centimeters or 2 inches from the edge. Now I have to sew where I marked. There you go. I'm done with my pillowcase. This is how it looks like in the front and in the back. Do-it-yourself pillowcase project by Super Marie. Look at these nice pillows.